You know that feeling when your favorite ice cream shop finally adds your favorite flavor? That's exactly how it feels now that Books has dropped their new Go series e-readers with Stylus support. If you've been using their older Go models, you'll know they were already a sweet spot between a traditional e-reader and a full-on Android tablet. Super portable, super easy on the eyes, but until now, no built-in Stylus support. It always felt like something was missing. Finally, Books has closed that gap with the new Books Go 7 and the Go Color 7 Gen 2. They keep the same sleek, lightweight 7-inch design as before, but now you can actually write, sketch, and annotate directly on them using Books' new Inksense pens. You'll have to buy the Stylus separately, but honestly, it's a game changer for anyone who loves to scribble notes or doodle in the margins without jumping through awkward workarounds. Let's break down what's new. The biggest difference between the two models comes down to the display. The regular Go 7 sticks to a classic black and white e-ink screen, delivering a crisp 300 ppi resolution, perfect for long reading sessions without putting a strain on your eyes. On the other hand, the Go Color 7 Gen 2 introduces the new Kaleido 3 e-ink screen technology, allowing it to display over 4,000 colors. Sure, color images show up at a slightly lower 150 ppi, but it's a trade-off that's totally worth it if you love reading colorful comics, magazines, or detailed PDFs. In real-world use, the color is vivid enough to make a real difference without sacrificing too much battery life or clarity. Speaking of specs, both models are basically identical under the hood. They're powered by octa-core processors, feature 4 GB of RAM, and come with 64 GB of onboard storage. If that's not enough, there's a microSD card slot ready for expansion, perfect for anyone who's got a massive digital library. Battery. Life should be solid too, thanks to a 2300 mAh battery, easily lasting through several days of moderate use. One design feature that might seem minor but really matters is the big side bezel. It gives you a better grip without smudging the screen and even hides 2 old-school physical page-turning buttons, something that's becoming rare these days, but is absolutely appreciated when you're deep into a novel and don't want to fumble with touch controls. Another major win for these devices is the software. Both run Android 13 right out of the box. This means you're not locked into one reading ecosystem. You can install Kindle, Libby, Pocket, Spotify, and countless other apps directly, offering the freedom that dedicated e-readers like the Kindle Scribe just can't match. It's like having the best of both worlds, a purpose-built e-reader with the flexibility of an Android tablet. Whether you're a student juggling textbooks, a professional annotating reports, or just someone who wants to stream a little music while reading, the Go 7 series has you covered. Now for the pricing. The Go 7 is already available at $250 in the US, $220 in the UK, and $250 across Europe. The Go Color 7 Gen 2 will roll out a little later with a starting price of $280. The Inksense Stylus will add another $46 to your total. So if you're going all in with the device, stylus, and maybe a magnetic case, which come in a stylish beige with a pen loop or a minimalist gray, you're looking at around $300. For what you're getting, especially compared to more lockdown alternatives, that's a pretty tempting offer. In conclusion, Books has taken their Go series from good to great. Lightweight, portable, Android-powered, color-capable, and now finally stylus-ready. It feels like the Go series has grown up. If you've been waiting for the right moment to upgrade your e-reading setup, this could be it. If you enjoyed this breakdown, make sure to subscribe for more deep dives and tech reviews. And if you want to explore even more options for Android e-readers, check out the next video on screen. Thanks for watching and happy reading.